Hello friends, welcome to how to do it. Today I'll show you how to image resize in HTML. Alright, so let's start. So if you want to image resize, then first I'll show you how to add image in your HTML. Alright, so then like how to I added the image. Let's check. This is the image. The too long. Okay. We need to resize this image. Okay, so if you want to resize, then you need to just write attribute with like partial, I mean 500, then 500. Yeah. This image with 500 pixel. So that's it. Also you can apply another method like with css style, css, then image tag. This is the selector, then width, you can type the width, then like 200 pixel. Then you can see again. Yes, that's it. So thank you for the watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. If you have any problem, you can just comment. Thank you. Bye bye.